Advanced recycling baler. You got 60 by 30 by 48 bin. This one does have cardboard in it already, although there is no banding straps. So advanced recycling baler, it's 60 left to right, 30 front to back, and it is 48 inches up and down. Here's our control system. Up, down, off, on. I guess you can reduce the stroke, full or short. Just came in, we haven't done anything to it. Those are our straps for rigging. There's your motor, 10 horse if I recall. That's your bale kicker. So your slots to get your banding through. Alright, what voltage, Ryan? 220 volts. Alright, let's run it, sir. It's about 30 seconds cycle up and down.
30 seconds down, 30 seconds up.
So that's your bale. Hang on a second. You're down that low. Can you open the door while it's down?
Well, it's gonna come up when we go up, so I mean,
can you open the door just to see how? So there's your cylinder. Cylinder looks excellent. And there you are, bailed down. All right, let's bring her back up. Thank you, sir. Yeah, it's 30 seconds. What happens? Was that the short stroke or the full?
That's the short. I don't know what the full.
Let's do the full.
I think it's all based on pressure if I had to guess, but I could be wrong. Full is auto return.
Yeah, short stroke it holds until you set up. Full, it just goes through a full stroke down and up. All right.
So maybe for like a secondary, if you want to pinch it down twice, I don't know.
Yeah, that seemed like it was auto as opposed to semi-auto.
Maybe you're just smashing it down so you can put more in there to keep it going and get a bigger bale.
Yeah, there's definitely room for more. All right, thanks for watching. Any questions, let us know. Thank you very much.